What would you do if you found a mysterious child alone in the mountains during a blizzard? An old Maulvi in the remote valleys of northern Pakistan was about to discover that sometimes the most unexpected encounters can change everything. This is a story that will restore your faith in humanity. Maulvi Rashid had been walking the mountain paths for over 30 years, traveling between villages to teach and help communities. But on this particular evening, as snow began to fall heavily, he heard something that made him stop dead in his tracks, the faint cry of a child echoing through the mountains. Following the sound through the treacherous terrain, he discovered a young girl, no more than 7 years old, huddled behind a boulder. She was freezing, scared, and spoke a dialect he barely recognized. Her clothes were torn, and she clutched a small, weathered photograph in her tiny hands. Without hesitation, Maulvi Rashid wrapped her in his warm cloak and carried her to safety. What he discovered next changed both their lives forever. The photograph she carried was of her grandmother, a woman who had been searching for her missing granddaughter for weeks after a landslide separated their family. Sometimes the greatest journeys aren't the ones we plan, but the detours that lead us exactly where we need to be. Subscribe if you believe in the power of compassion, and comment below with your own story of unexpected kindness.